Hello everyone. Today we will learn about transformation of degrees of comparison. So let's begin. As we know, there are three types of degrees of comparison. They are positive, comparative and superlative. So with the help of these given examples, I will make you understand how we can transform the sentence by the interchange of degrees of comparison. So guys, two types of sentences are given here using all the three degrees of comparison. So see the difference. In the first example, superlative degree is used. Jacob is the tallest boy. And in the second time, Jacob is one of the tallest boy. See the difference? And comparative degree, Jacob is taller than any other. But in the second type, Jacob is taller than most other boys. And in the positive degree, no other boy is as tall as Jacob. But for the second type, very few boys are as tall as Jacob. So you can see the difference and understand how to transform by using the three degrees of comparison. So guys, I hope you understood how to change the degree of comparison and transform the sentence. And now one thing is to be noted is, it is not possible to transform every degree in every other degree. For instance, Rita is as tall as Sita. Positive degree is used here, tall. Comparison is between two persons only. We can transform this sentence using the comparative degree. That is, Sita is not taller than Rita. We can't transform this sentence in superlative degree because comparison is between two persons only. Now we will know how to transform the sentence by the use of less than. That is also a comparative degree. See the examples. Reena is not so good a story writer in Hindi as some other writers are. This is positive degree, good. So for the comparative degree, we will use better. And with comparative degree, always we use than. Some story writers in Hindi are better than Reena. One more comparative degree, that is less than. Reena is less good than some other story writers in Hindi. Superlative degree will be best. So the sentence is, Reena is not one of the best story writers in Hindi. So here are some more examples. Some other poets are as great as Tennyson. This is positive degree. Tennyson is greater than some other poets. This is comparative degree. And how to use less? Some poets are not less great than Tennyson. Superlative degree will be, Tennyson is not the greatest of all poets. By the use of opposite word also, we can change the degree and transform the sentence. For instance, this book is not so expensive as that. This is positive degree. With positive degree, we use as means as expensive as. But if the sentence is negative, then we use so as means so expensive as. Students, there are three ways to change this sentence into comparative degree. First, that book is more expensive than this book, or this book is less expensive than that, or this book is cheaper than that. All these sentences are identical and we can't use superlative degree here as the comparison is between two things only. So here is an exercise for you. You will change the degrees of comparison of all these 5 sentences. The first sentence is, Gold is more expensive than silver. The comparison is of two things. So here we can use positive degree only. Next, the sailor is as brave as lion. Again, the comparison of two living things. Next, elephant is the biggest of all animals. So this is the superlative degree, and here we can use positive as well as comparative degree. Next, Kalidasa was one of the greatest poet of India, superlative degree. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Again, the superlative degree is used here. So guys, these are the answers. I hope all your answers are absolutely correct. Thanks for watching.